Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we are going to model a double-ended spanner. We are going to draw this on both the sides. So we will start by drawing two circles and then the lines between the two and then this kind of a shape. We will also draw a slot like this at the center. So we will try to replicate this spanner. We are going to use design modeler of ANSYS Workbench. We will go to the left and double click on geometry. Next I'll right click on geometry, new design modeler geometry. I'll go to units, millimeter, XY plane, look at, sketching. I'll start with two circles. Now if you look at this, these two spanners are little different in size. So I'm going to assume one is big and one is small. So I will take one diameter as 25 and the other as 20 mm. Now I'll draw two lines to join them. I'll give dimensions . Say this is 6.5 and this is also 6.5. Next I will draw a rectangle on both sides. Again I'll give dimensions to this. Now the size of the spanner will depend upon the gap that I give here. So say this V7 is 6.5. Next I'll give this distance. Say this is 5 mm. Now I will use modify trim . Next I'm going to use draw and I will use arc by 3 point. So I'll click here at this point and I'll give a small arc here. Again I'll do the same for the other side. Again I'll use the trim option and remove the center rectangle. Next I'll go to fillet. I'll change this to 3 mm. I'll give fillet between these sides. So this is done. Next I'll go to modeling, concepts, surfaces from sketches. I'll select the sketch 1, apply and generate. I want to give it a thickness, so I'll go to extrude, add material. I'll give a thickness of 4 mm, generate. Now we want to create this slot over here. So I will go to a new sketch in XY plane. In sketch 2, I will use the oval option. Click on 2 points and generate the oval. It has been created on this face. I will give it dimensions. Say this is 25. Also, I'll give the distance between these 2 points as 50 so that it is symmetric. Now I'll go to extrude and I want to generate an extrude cut. If you see here, it is generated inside. So I will go to operations, cut material, and I'll give a depth of 1 mm. Generate. So you can see here the slot has been created. If you want to create an upward slot like this, that is also possible. I'll create another sketch. I'll go to sketching. Again I'll go to oval. Click 2 points. I will give the dimension between this point and this line and between these 2 points. Say this is 25 and this gap will now be 12.5. Again I'll go to extrude. I will select sketch 3. Now this has to be extruded upwards, so it has to be add material. Now if I select add material, you won't be able to see, so I just click on add frozen 1 mm, generate. So that's how you can create a surface like this. The same thing can be replicated on the other side. I'm just drawing on one side. So with this I end the session. I hope you have understood how to model a double-ended spanner. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.